Yeah, no. No. It freaking happens like clockwork. I don't have time for this. I have projects, I have deadlines, I have stuff I don't even know about yet. Have you guys ever worked all day and not known what you actually did? Especially with this headache, I'm like in a total daze. And I've tried everything. I have tried ibuprofen, aspirin, acetaminophen, stuff I probably shouldn't mention here. And yeah, I mean, they all work if you have time to sit around all day and vegetate, but I don't. I have to be at the top of my game. I can't be in a fog. Plus, I mean, I am trying to be a little bit more health conscious lately. I've been working out, I've been eating right, I've been meditating, I've been reading. Actually, I did read that if you press here, it actually does relieve some pain. It actually works, like for now, but I can't sit around all day doing this. But it gave me inspiration. I mean, I could invent something like this that would do this all day. Who wouldn't want that? Something all natural, non-habit forming, drug-free. You can use it every day on either hand. That would make so much bank. I'd be like, goodbye one bedroom, hello penthouse. Then I looked online and I found this, Aculief, short for acupressure relief. So I got it. But this is the moment I have been waiting for. Crazy day at the office and a killer headache. I kind of hope it doesn't work. Well, unfortunately, it works. Goodbye, penthouse. But seriously, I feel great. No sign of the headache I had earlier, no more pressure, and it works almost immediately. I mean, in less than a minute, I felt no pressure. And it's really small enough that you can take anywhere. This thing changes everything. Aculief. I love it.